With WP Fluent Form's restriction feature, you can easily restrict the number of entries allowed, even on a daily, weekly, monthly, or annual basis. To enable form restrictions, go to Fluent Form, select the form you want the restrictions to be imposed on, and click the Edit button. Click on the Settings tab on the top bar and stay on the Form Settings section. Scroll down to the Scheduling and Restrictions segment. Toggle on the Maximum Number of Entries feature. Define the maximum number of entries allowed for the particular form. Define the time interval for the adjacent drop-down menu. The restrictions will be effective according to the defined time interval. Define what message to show the users once the defined quota is filled up.